Welcome to today's tutorial where we explore the basic drawing tools in SketchUp. Whether you're a beginner or looking to enhance your SketchUp skills, you're in the right place. Hello everyone! Today, I'll guide you through the essentials of drawing tools in SketchUp, so let's dive right in. First, understand what is drawing tools. SketchUp's drawing tools allow users to create basic geometric shapes made up of surfaces and edges. Users can access these tools from the drawing toolbar or the large tool set. Let's draw a line using the line tool. To start, I'll press the L key on my keyboard or click on the line tool icon. Then, I'll set a starting point by clicking once. It's important to just click once and not click and drag because that gives us more control. Notice that when I move my mouse, different colors appear. These colors help me understand which direction I'm drawing in. For example, green means I'm drawing in a straight line, while red means I'm drawing horizontally. I can lock these directions by holding down the Shift key or using the arrow keys after setting my starting point. This helps me draw straight lines easily. I can also type in specific lengths for my lines. With the eraser tool, you can easily erase lines and edges to refine your design. Simply click on the lines you want to remove, and they'll disappear. The freehand tool in SketchUp allows you to draw lines and shapes freely without being constrained to straight lines or predefined shapes. You simply select the freehand tool, and then you can use your mouse or stylus to draw directly on the screen. Next, let's talk about arcs. Are curved segments of a circle and can add elegance and fluidity to your designs. To draw an arc in SketchUp, select the arc tool and click to set the starting point. Then, drag your mouse to define the arc's shape and click again to set the endpoint. The rectangle tool in SketchUp allows you to create rectangular shapes quickly and easily. Simply select the tool, click once to set a corner point, then click again to set the opposite corner point. You can also specify precise dimensions for the rectangle by typing them in after setting the first corner point. This tool is perfect for creating walls, floors, and other rectangular elements. Circles are just as simple. Click to set the center, then enter the radius or diameter. Polygons are multi-sided shapes that can range from triangles to hexagons and beyond. To draw a polygon in SketchUp, select the Polygon tool and click to set the center point. Then, specify the number of sides and radius or length. By mastering these drawing and editing tools, you'll have the creative freedom to bring any design to life in SketchUp. Remember, SketchUp helps us by giving hints about directions and shapes as we draw. It's a handy tool for creating all sorts of designs. And that's it. With these techniques, you're well on your way to master. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more SketchUp tips and tricks. Happy designing! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. See you next time.